Okay, so this is Malden Public Schools preliminary school reopening plan. So overall, elementary, middle, and high school are all beginning in the hybrid model. So first, second, and third, there's a example of in-person learning, the hybrid learning, and then the remote learning. So to begin, this is the in-person learning, and students who have specialized needs will be able to get full-time in-person learning. Each classroom will accommodate up to 14 students with desks 6 feet apart. Here is an example of the daily schedule for in-person learning with the grades all the way to the left, the days, and the times. Then here is the hybrid learning model. So students will be able to access Chromebooks and they will get internet access as well. This is kind of an example of how groups of students, so the blue cohort and the gold cohort, will switch every other week. They will go to school and the other will stay home and do remote learning. So here is the schedule for that. And then more of an in-depth one for grades K through 6. And then the last example will be remote learning, so all virtually online. And I said earlier, they will be able to access Chromebooks and internet access as needed. And then for the kindergarten grades, they can get sent downloads of copies of work, and also they can pick it up at their school in the morning. My third grade in Forestdale Elementary School is starting September 16th. And we are starting with something called distance learning, which is basically all remote learning for the whole day until further notice.